Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best outdoor cleaners on the market, the Wet and Forget No Scrub Outdoor Cleaner. This product is renowned for its effectiveness in removing tough stains like mold, mildew, and algae without the need for scrubbing. Stick around as we explore why this cleaner stands out from the rest. The Wet and Forget Outdoor Cleaner is a bleach-free formula designed for various surfaces such as driveways, roofs, decks, and more. Its unique selling point? You can simply apply it and forget about it. No rinsing, no pressure washing required. Let's break down some key features that make this product a must-have. Firstly, it's incredibly easy to use. Just dilute the concentrate with water, apply using a garden sprayer, and let it work its magic. Perfect for those who want effective cleaning with minimal effort. Now, let's talk results. For green stains, you can expect to see improvements within a couple of weeks. And those stubborn black stains? They'll start disappearing within a few months, with results lasting up to a year. Environmentally conscious consumers will appreciate that this cleaner is bleach-free and non-acidic, making it safe for plants and your surrounding environment. Just remember to keep it away from water sources when applying. Another standout feature is its longevity. Once applied, it keeps surfaces clean for a minimum of a year. Plus, the concentrate has an unlimited shelf life when stored properly, so you can stock up without worry. A quick tip: apply on dry, debris-free surfaces during mild weather conditions. Avoid rainy days for at least 45 hours post-application for optimal results. Versatility is key with this product. From vinyl siding to concrete and even upholstery, it tackles a wide range of surfaces effortlessly. Keep in mind, though, due to shipping restrictions, this product is currently available only in certain regions. Make sure to check availability in your area before ordering. Whether you're tackling a large outdoor cleaning project or just maintaining your home, the Wet and Forget No Scrub Outdoor Cleaner could be your perfect solution. Check out the link in the description below to get yours today. That wraps up today's review of the Wet and Forget Outdoor Cleaner. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this, and ring the bell for notifications. Until next time, keep your space clean and enjoy your day.